Hello my friends, today I want to show you this Alox Pioneer from 1957. This is the first Alox model which was built by Victorinox. The first models had this reamer style here. It's not inside the knife. And yes, this is the first model, but this is the first model of the first year because the main blade is stamped Victorinox and stainless with Victoria blade stamp. In 1958 they changed the stamp into Alox. So this one is easily to date. It's a 57 model. Yes, this is the main blade. This is the reamer. Can opener with the cross and the PAT. I think never used. The bottle opener with a half stop here. The wire stripper. It's a very nice snap noise. Yes, this is one of my favorite Alox knives of my collection because it's very old. It's a special model because it's one of the first of this year. Yes, I want to show you. I hope you enjoyed the video and I wish you a nice day. Bye bye.